Das Trikot der deutschen Nationalmannschaft entsteht fast 2 Jahre vor Produktionsbeginn. Jedes Detail wird von Adidas und DFB-Experten entworfen.
Each jersey starts with recycled plastic bottles that are scanned, sorted, and shredded into microscopic flakes. The cleaned flakes are melted at 270 degrees Celsius and transformed into liquid polyester.
Es ist stärker als alles, was wir bisher gesehen haben. Unglaublich. Die Qualität ist ausgezeichnet.
These fibers are spun into durable yarn and wound onto thousands of industrial spools. Computerized knitting machines transform the yarn into lightweight, breathable performance fabric. Engineers strategically create ventilation zones and airflow channels for maximum player comfort. Special molecular treatments remove sweat in seconds while fighting bacteria and odor. Advanced fabric engineering creates unique visual effects, including the modern denim-style appearance. Industrial printers add Germany's iconic colors, graphics, and intricate design details. AI-guided lasers cut multiple fabric layers into 14 perfectly shaped jersey panels. Precision-cut pieces are carefully assembled by skilled operators on the production floor.
Flat lock seams eliminate friction and provide maximum comfort during intense football matches.
Every stress point is reinforced to withstand the physical demands of elite competition. Authentic player jerseys receive lightweight, heat-pressed logos for peak performance.
Replica jerseys feature embroidered crests containing more than 8,000 precision stitches.
Official patches and player numbers are fused under high temperature and pressure. Every jersey undergoes extreme strength tests to guarantee match-day durability.
Colors, sweat management, and UV resistance are rigorously tested before approval.
Each jersey receives a unique authentication code, proving its official factory origin. Automated systems fold, package, and prepare every jersey for worldwide distribution.
During peak seasons, factories can produce millions of Germany jerseys every single week.
From recycled bottles to world-class performance wear, that's how Germany's football jerseys are made. Subscribe for more factory secrets.